Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to, have this amazing cryptocurrency wallet system on your website. So for my crypto fans over here, a lot of you want, to have a normal crypto wallet on your website whereby, users can be able to buy or send crypto to their to their friends anywhere, not particularly on the website, but just anywhere to their to their wallet. So as you can see over here, now I have this wallet on this particular website. This website this website is just let me open the website for you. This website is just a food delivery website that I created. Okay, now in testing my things, I wanted to add a crypto wallet to the to the website, and then I got this amazing plugin over here which does exactly what I want to give to my crypto fans over here, so that they can use it to add it to their to their website. So as you can see over here, now I tested a lot of things, and then I created a BTC account on the website as a user, and then also I sent a transaction to myself. Okay, so I sent some money to myself on this particular wallet to see if everything is working. So if you check my BTC, it is $2. If you check it, it is $2, and this is the BTC. Okay, now if you go over here to my blockchain account over here, let me go to the home page, and then you see what I'm talking about. Now if you go over here to my BTC wallet over here, or my blockchain wallet over here, now if I show you my transactions, you can see that I have done some few transactions. So let me check this particular wallet, and then you see the transactions that I did recently. Now this is what I sent to myself. Okay, and then I sent $2, and then the the fee was 1.13 fee. Now I wasn't having much in it. I just wanted to use it to test and then see, and then I was able to check it and then test. Now it came correctly. Okay, so if you see the transactions over here, you can see that I received this amount of money. Now if you go to the transactions over here, you see that I received this amount of money over here. Okay, and that is confirmed. It was so fast, it was so smooth, and I want to show you how you can be able to also integrate it on your website for my crypto fans. So I'm going to go to this website because I want to use this website. Okay, this is a complete crypto website over here. Now what I want to do is instead of buy crypto, which will send us to a crypto page and all that, I want to use a wallet system over here. Okay, so I want to change this button to wallet. Okay, and then remove this buy crypto from here. Okay, so that it will direct people to their wallet over here, and then they can be able to deposit or send, or do anything that they want to do with it. Now the amazing thing about this website is that whoever sends or deposits money, or sends money through it, you can be able to also receive commission from their deposit and other stuff. Okay, and that is the amazing thing. Now it is also dark mode, and then light mode. Okay, so you can check out all of them. Now it is very, very nice, nicely designed. Now the only bad thing about it is that you cannot change the colors, you cannot change anything. It is just designed for you to sit on your on your website. Okay, now let's go. You can connect your MetaMask to it. As you can see over here, you can connect your MetaMask to it. You can connect more tokens also to it. You can add currencies and other stuff. You can do a whole lot of things on this and then you can also go to exchange to do exchange over here. Okay, so if you want to exchange, you can maybe do some exchange that you want to exchange. So we have the Ethereum, the the BNB, that is the Binance, and all those kind of things. You can do all those exchange over here. So basically this is what a complete complete wallet system, which I think it will be valuable to most of my subscribers over here, since most of them are crypto enthusiasts. So let's go into the video, and then I'll show you how I created this thing over here. Now, to be frank, I did not design it, but I'll show you how the plugin will help you to get this amazing thing over here. Okay, so I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to use this website over here. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. Okay, I'm going to go to the dashboard, and then I'm going to install a plugin. Now we're going to go to plugins over here, hover on plugins, and then click on add new. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to search for crypto wallet, or you can search for crypto wallet. Okay guys, so what we are going to use is basically not what maybe you might want, okay, because of the reviews over here. Now I have 200 active installations, but it's only having a 3-star 3-star review, okay, which is really bad, okay, but the plugin works fine, and it's good, and it's accurate. It is also compatible with your website. So this is the plugin that we are going to use, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then the ERC20 crypto wallet with exchange. Okay, this one is what we're going to use. Now the good thing about this plugin is you don't have to add so many things to it, because they have already done it for you, and then all what you need to do is you need to just install and activate. Now if you want to check more details of it, you can go ahead and then read about it, okay, because that is mostly what I do. Okay, now as you can see, it is the simplest multi-currency wallet for WordPress. Check premium version. Now they also have premium version on the Code Kenyan website. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can go and then check it over there. Now they use third-party services to make your your wallet function very well. So it is those services, or those platforms, are all recognized cryptocurrency platforms. So as you can see, Etherscan, Ethereum, and blockchain, okay, for BTC, like I showed you my blockchain wallet right now, and then GoScan, and a whole lot of amazing platform over here. So it means that everything they do is accurate, it's correct, okay, and that is it. So what we're going to do is we are just going to click on activate over here. So now that our we have activated our wallet, now we're going to look for the plugin, and then start working with it. So if you look down over here, you see that we have MC wallet, okay, and that is what we are going to use. So just click on it right now, just click on it, and then you're going to see the settings over here. Okay, so basically I did not really touch any settings over here. Seriously, I didn't add anything, I didn't do anything. So what I basically did was I went straight to options over here, and then this is where I played around it. Okay, so what I did was I changed the URL logo. Okay, so I wanted to change the URL logo, so I used my logo, this logo over here. Okay, and then I selected a dark logo also for it. So for those of you who don't have a dark logo, you need to go for it. So this is what my dash dash screen logo. Okay, so I selected it, and then this one also says this is the logo link. So if somebody clicks on the logo link, it's going to bring you back to the website. Okay, and then also this one is the quick exchange exchange. So only quick swap. Okay, so you can change it to anything that you want to change. Okay, so the quick swap mode, also the aggregator, you can change it to whatever you want to change it, and then you can do some few settings over here. So this is your wallet. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is your wallet address. Okay, so the page has already been created for you. All what you need to do is to just copy the link and then use it in wherever you want to use. But before we do that, let's go and then this one says use as homepage. So if you want to use the multi-currency wallet template as a home page, you can select this one. Of course, I have my home page already. I don't want to use that one as what, as a home page. And then the wallet page access. Okay, so users must be registered and logged in for what, access. Yes, I want users to register. Then save private information keys in users, it's already ticked. And then show all enable wallets after save or stored seed phrase 12 page. So you can show all enabled wallet. Okay, now I'm going to leave it as it is, and then disable all internal wallets. Users will use MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Now I won't disable it. And then if you want to disable BTC, if you want to disable Ether, if you want to disable Binance, if you want to, or whatever you want to disable, you can go ahead and disable. Now I'm going to disable some few things. So I'm going to disable this one, disable this one, disable this one. The ones that I'm not going to leave one wallet. The ones that I'm not really familiar with and I'm not going to use, I'm going to disable it and leave the rest. Okay, now here is where you set up your fees. Okay, so automatically it is 5%. You can't do anything about it. Okay, now here it says address where the collected fees will go. So where do you want the collected fees to go? So this one is your EMV compatible address. Okay, now transaction fees for BTC. So for BTC, the transaction fee is is 5%, not less than. So you can enter your the amount which you don't want it to be less than. So let's say it is not less than not less than 0.000 maybe 5. Okay, it shouldn't be less than 0.005. And then the BTC address, you can enter it over here, the address where you want it to go. So let's say I want to just copy this address, and then or maybe let me copy my blockchain address, and then I'll paste it over there. So I'm going to paste my BTC address to over here. Okay, so basically I'm going to deal with only BTC. Okay, so for those of you who have Ether and all other other address wallets, you can put it over here. Now all what I need to do is to click on save. I'll update the options. Now that I've done this one, I can go ahead and go to custom HTML. Now if you want to add anything to the header and the body and then the footer, you can do that. And then the strings also. So this is when it is loading the splash screen, it will say loading. Okay, and then please wait while the application is loading. All these things will be done for you. And then you edit the frequently add ask questions. Okay, so if you want to edit any of them, you can add your own thing over here. Okay, now when we say the FAQ is this one's over here. So as you can see, this thing's over here. Okay, so how are my private keys stored? What are the fees involved? And then why mining fees are so high? All these things. So if you want to add some to it, you can add some. And then you edit your menu. Now the default menus are wallet, transaction, and exchange. As you can see over here, we have wallet, transaction, and exchange. Now if you want to add anything to it, okay, you can add anything to it. So maybe you want to add your home, and then the market, and then converter, and all those things. You want to add it to over here. You can decide to add it to it by using this field. I'm not going to add anything to it, so that is it. Now that I have this one down, now let me go to banners to see what is over there. Okay, before we come to options over here. So basically these are the banners over there. Okay, so these are some banners you can add over here. Okay, so after see we have this banner, we also have this banner. Okay, so if you want to promote something, you can add it over here. Okay, by using the banners over here. And then the design also. Now I told you that last time that from the beginning that you cannot customize or design the page, but I think you can be able to work your way around it. Okay, by using the customization session over here. So as you can see, this is, so guys, as you can see, this is what the design as we have over here, and this one is what the site color. Okay, so you can choose what any color over here that you want, and then the light scheme. Okay, so how you want it to behave. Okay, so if you don't want the brand this brand color, you can change it. Okay, so maybe you can change it to any color that you want, but I'm just showing you how you can work your way around it. And then the dash scheme also. Okay, so the side background, the brand colors will also be here. Okay, and then we also have the global settings. Okay, so the border radius and the button border radius and all those things, you can use this one to control it. Okay, so now as you can see, you can work your way around the design. Okay, use your own your own colors over there. Okay, and that is it. Now let's go back, and then we go to the page, and then we see how the page really works as let's say as somebody who want to come to the website. So let's say somebody comes to the website. This is the website. Okay, but as you can see, we have not configure the menu over here. Okay, so let's do that one first before we come. So first of all, what we're going to do is I'm going to go to the MC wallet again, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the page. Okay, so if I go over here, I'll see the page over here. Okay, so if I hover on it, I'm going to see the page link. So I'm going to copy the the link address over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to appearance over here, go to menus over here. Okay, and then I'm going to remove remove the buy crypto from there, and then replace it with this one over here. So guys, I'm going to go to my menu over here. Okay, so my menu, and then click on select. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have buy crypto over here. Now let me see if the page is also over here. So as you can see, the page was not created over here. It's not over here. Okay, so you can't see it over here. So all what you need to do is to use the link that we copied. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one because I don't need this page again. I'm going to delete this one, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save changes. Okay, or save the menu. Now I'll go to my front end, and then if I refresh it, I'm supposed to not see this one over here. Okay, because I've removed. So as you can see, I cannot see the buy crypto over here. Now also I want to remove the converter. Okay, I want to remove the converter, or let me just leave the converter over there and then deal with the buy crypto over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to customize over here, and then I am going to change the link of this one and the name over there to wallet, and then link it to the wallet page. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to search for header. Okay, so I'm going to go to header, click on header over here, and then the header builder will open for me. Then as you can see, the button over here, I'm going to click on this edit button over here, and then instead of buy crypto, I'm going to say wallet. Okay, and then I'm going to replace this link with the link of the MC wallet over here, and then I'll just click on publish. Okay, so now that I have it published, now I can decide to close it. Okay guys, first one thing also we have to do is let me go back to the customization, and then make sure that I fix the mobile and every other thing also also the before I forgot to fix it. So I can go to the header again. Okay, so let me go to click on the header again, and then check on the mobile side, and then the button over there also, which says okay, so the button has already been replaced with the wallet, but I'm going to replace this one, the link over here again, and then let me check with this one also. Okay, it has also been replaced. So let me click on here and see. So as you can see, it says wallet. Okay, so everything is good. Now I can publish it, and then go back to my dashboard. Okay, I want to go back to my dashboard and my front end. Okay, now if I copy this one, and then let's say I want to open this one in a new incognito. Okay, so I want to open this one in a new incognito. So let me just open it in a new incognito. Now I'm going to see the wallet over here. So as you can see, this says wallet. Okay, so now if I click on the wallet, I'm not logged in. So let's see what happened. It tells me to log in. Okay, so as you can see, it says I should log in. Okay, now of course, if maybe I'm not a registered member, I have to register my username, my email, and then click on register, and then the admin will send me all the details for me to be able to register. Okay, and that is how it works if you are not logged in. But let's say I am logged in and I want to check my wallet, so I can go over here and then check my wallet. So as you can see, it is loading for me. Okay, so this one is the loading screen that we inserted in it. Okay, so it is loading for me, and I'm glad that I found this particular plugin, which is so easy to use. So guys, as you can see, it gives you a welcome to cryptocurrency marketplace. Take a tour. Okay, so we're gonna take a quick tour. So you can go to next, which says skip back next. So this is your wallet balance. So we go to next. Use these buttons to transfer cryptocurrencies in and out of your wallet. So this is how your user will see all those things. Okay, so click next, and then it says scroll through this menu to find products, services, or useful information. Okay, and then skip next, and then click this button to exchange your cryptocurrencies. We click next, and then that's it. Let's get started. So we close. Now first of all, you need to back up your wallet. Okay, so definitely you need to create and connect your wallet to it. Okay, so how do you connect it? Just click on this one over here, and then it will give you some few things that you need to know. Now those of you who are familiar with crypto, you realize that the secret phrase, 12-word secret phrase, you have to know it. Okay, so I understand, and then you can copy all this phrase over here and then continue. Now you have to paste this phrase over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the phrase over here, and then paste it one after the other. So this is vacuum market shield heavy. So I have vacuum market shield heavy. Okay, and this one says draw coral, draw nose often. So draw coral, draw nose often. And then the last three says lobster soda toast. Okay, so lobster soda toast. Now as you can see, everything works perfectly, and then I click on ready, and then we are ready to go. So now our wallet is is complete. Now if you want to deposit money, what do? You can click on deposit over here, and then it tells you to choose the currency, okay, you want. So what currency do you want? Let me just close this one, and then I'm going to click on add currency over here. Okay, so I'm going to use the BTC. Okay, and I click on continue. So as you can see, I have my BTC wallet over here. Okay, so my BTC wallet. Now you can add as many currency as you want. Okay, so as you can see, you can add all these currencies over here. Okay, so we have the BTC, you have the USDT, you have the Ether, you have ERC20, also the Ether, and then we have the Binance coin. Okay, and then the Matic wrap over here. Okay, so you can add all this over to it. Now that I have my my how do you call it, my BTC setup, now I can decide to send or receive what, BTC. Okay, so how do I send or receive BTC? Now let's say I'm going to use this one over here. Okay, so this one is from a different website. So let's say I want to send BTC to this particular wallet over here. Okay, so let me copy this wallet over here. Now guys, take a look at it. This is cryptocurrency marketplace website, and this one is the pick and eat website. Okay, so there are two different website. I just want you to take a look at it, and then okay, now I'm going to copy this one over here and then come back to the pick and eat over here, and then click on send. Okay, so what I'm going to send is I'm going to paste my address over here. Okay, and then the amount I want to send is I want to send just maybe 1.5, okay, BTC. Now the maximum you can send is 1.3. So as you can see, it tells me that the maximum I can send is 1.3. So let me say I want to send 1.2, okay, and then I can give a comment over here, and then I can just choose the rate that I want it to. So we have the slow, we have the medium, we have the fast, and then we have the custom one. Okay, so you can custom it, and then the minor fee. Okay, so you can see all those things over here. Okay, so guys, as you can see, everything comes. So if I choose this one, the fee reduce. Okay, so if I choose this one also, the fee reduce, and then the maximum I can send is can also reduce. But I'm going to choose the fast one so that it works faster for us, and then you guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see, with this one, the maximum I can send is let me go over here and then see. Okay, so with this one, the fee has maybe reduced, so the maximum I can send, they've written it over here, and then I can go ahead and then give a comment that I want to give. Maybe let's say hi. Okay, this is Kobe. Okay, maybe any comment that you want to give, and then send. So as you can see over here, it is it is pending. It says successfully transferred to this. The estimated time is is over here. So as you can see, it has been successful. Okay, now let's go over here and then see if we have we are going to receive the BTC over here. So I'm going to refresh this website, and then I'll meet you guys and see if it has been successful. Okay guys, as you can see over here, I have received the money over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have received it. Okay, and that is it. So I have received a total of 1.2 USD over here. Okay, and I can confidently say that this plugin really works. Okay, so the plugin works. If I go over here, I can check my transactions over here, and then as you can see, received. Okay, this is the amount over here, and if I go to the other website also, I can check the transactions over here, and then as you can see, sent. Okay, this is the amount that I sent. Okay, so guys, this is an amazing plugin. You can add on to your WordPress website. Okay, let me go to the front end, and then you can see that the wallet really works perfectly well. Okay, so thank you for watching this amazing tutorial, and I hope this one helps you to be able to add a wallet system to your BTC or your cryptocurrency website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and then let's grow together. See you. Bye bye.